Welcome to the channel. In this video, I wanted to just show you how to improve your webcam quality, especially if you're going to be taking Zoom calls or Zoom meetings using the Logi Tune app, because you're going to be using the Logitech camera. In this case, I'm using the Logitech C920. So what I want to do first is to open the Zoom app. I have it here on my dock. Or if you want to open any app quick and easy, you can just go on your keyboard and press Command Spacebar to use the spotlight to search for any apps that you're looking for on your MacBook. Or you can just go to Finder here on the dock, on Launchpad or Finder, and then go to Applications, and then you can open your applications. You can just then type Zoom and then open it right here. And then I'm also going to open the Logi Tune app, just going to the keyboard again, Command Spacebar, and then open Logi Tune. I want to have both of them open right here. So once you open Zoom, you want to go to your menu bar where you see the Apple icon, Zoom Workplace, Edit, Window, and Help, and then just click on Zoom Workplace where you see my pointer here, and then you go down to Settings. And then once you get to Settings, you want to go to Video and Effects. So then once you go to Video and Effects, you then are going to see how you are looking on the webcam on your Zoom and then on Logi Tune at the same time. So I know with Zoom, you can also just make sure that you can go to the settings over here and change the virtual background, appearance, and everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is make adjustments here on the side, on image adjustments on the Logi Tune. So this is the Logi Tune window and this is the Zoom window. So if I click on this window, then we can start doing adjustments. So you can always just go back to see that you are making adjustments for the webcam that you have connected. In this case, I am connected to the Logitech C90 HD Pro webcam, and here you can adjust how much you want the webcam to show, which is the same thing that you can also do in the Zoom window. Then I'm going to go to image adjustments on the Logi Tune menu, and then the first thing that you can see is the filters. So I want to show you the filters before I show you the adjustments, because anything I do on adjustments, if I come to filters, the filters will reset everything. So these are the natural filters that come with Logi Tune, film, glaze, anything like that. I'm going to put it back to original. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Then we're going to go back here where you see adjustments and then just click on it. You're going to ignore anti-flicker because it's going to naturally just set itself to your natural settings that come with Logitech. I'm going to leave autofocus on. If you want it off, you can really switch it off and then it will be on manual so that you have control of what you show. If you're showing anything in Zoom or you're demonstrating anything, the autofocus method will just come and then it will start working. And if I take whatever it is I put on my face, it will go back to showing me. And then I'm going to focus on auto exposure, and then I'm going to switch it off. Then I can have control of how much the picture is looking. So then when it comes to exposure, I'm just going to adjust to how my environment is looking, because right now I'm wearing something bright, and then I also want my skin to look good and look bright. So then I have to decide whether I want my jacket to look good or I want to look good. Then I can just play around with gain. Don't focus on the numbers, just focus on how it's looking on your side, because on this side it's raining and I have a light on so that you can actually see me. It's gonna be different. That's why my background is looking dark and gloomy, because I don't have any natural sunlight coming in. It's just clouds and rain. So then the exposure I'm happy with. I don't want to do too much right now. I can always come back to the setting and then change everything. So then the other setting I'm going to focus on is auto white balance. I'm going to switch it on so that I am using manual settings. So then on the temperature, because on my side things are a bit gloomy, I need a little bit of warmth, I'm just going to use the slider and the pointer and slide it to my right, and then it's a little bit warm. This will be too much. I look like I'm in a movie like from the 90s. So right now we're just sliding it, and I'm happy with it over here. I'm really happy with it over here. And then I'm gonna go down after auto white balance to the brightness setting. So I can add a little bit of brightness if maybe I want my background or I want my skin to look brighter, but then my jacket is not even showing anymore, so I have to kind of be in between. And then the contrast, that's a bit too much. I'm just going to leave it right in the middle. And then the saturation, just a little bit, just to make the picture look a little bit different. and I'm happy with how this is looking. So this will be my default. Anytime I open Zoom, it's gonna look like this. But if I want to even go further, then I can go to the Zoom settings. But in this video, I just wanted to focus on how you can just use the Logi Tune app to then improve how your webcam is going to be looking when you are taking Zoom calls, whether it's classes or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips just like this. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Bye.